Too many pepper mills look identical. Start with the Peugeot Paris you select for repeatable daily seasoning, unless refill ease, compact storage, or coarse adjustment matters more. Choose by grind range, refill access, size, and effort. For most home cooks, it's the Peugeot Paris you select pepper mill. Buy it for a comfortable wood body and 6 defined settings that keep everyday seasoning consistent. It performs best from fine through medium, using a familiar twist-top motion. The catch is its narrow opening, which makes refill slower. Coarser adjustments may also need an upright reset before engaging. Skip it if you want chunky cracked pepper, fast refilling, or 1 mil for both salt and pepper. For American-made hardwood and cleaner styling, choose the Fletchers mill border grill pepper mill. It suits cooks who want even output from a decorative mill that can remain on display. Its shape feels more mid-century than traditional. But texture is adjusted manually, so matching an earlier grind takes more attention. Filling also requires patience around the internal guard. Skip it if preset positions matter, or if you want a case-hardened steel mechanism. For a slimmer modern profile, it's the Peugeot Boreal manual Beech wood pepper mill. Buy it if you want quick routine grinding without the classic hourglass shape. Its narrow column takes less visual space, while muted finishes suit a restrained kitchen. Grind texture changes through the top screw, so returning to an earlier position isn't exact. The tight opening also complicates refills. Skip it if you want presets, effortless filling, or a surface that disguises greasy fingerprints. For compact kitchens and flexible ingredients, pick the CrushGrind Billund Mill. It's lightweight, holds plenty of peppercorns, and stores with the grinder facing upward. Its ceramic mechanism can also handle salt or dried herbs, making it useful for renters or travel. However, the adjustment range stays mostly fine, with limited contrast at the coarse end. Its wide body may challenge smaller hands. Skip it if you want dramatic texture changes or a narrow grip. For dining table seasoning, choose the Fritz Hansen Hammer Grinder. Buy it when appearance, compact storage, and easy chamber access matter more than cooking capacity. It works with salt or pepper and looks polished beside place settings. Its chamber holds about 2 tablespoons, so frequent cooks will refill it regularly. It also won't produce the finest result, and the broad flat knob can press into your palm. Skip it for heavy prep sessions or extra fine pepper. For anyone tired of spilling peppercorns, it's the R+D Lab Trulli Mill. Buy it for its unusually wide opening, stable bottle-shaped base, and narrow turning knob. The ceramic grinder accepts pepper or salt, while the distinctive form earns permanent counter space. Its removable knob can loosen during grinding and may need pressing back into position. The handcrafted construction and specialty finishes also make it a premium choice. Skip it if you want a permanently secured handle or minimal ownership cost. For easier operation on a budget, pick the Kuhn Rikon Ratchet Spice Grinder. Its lever uses a back-and-forth motion, reducing the repeated twisting demanded by conventional mills. The side fill spout also simplifies adding peppercorns. It's lightweight, though the plastic body feels less substantial than wood or metal. Some cooks may prefer bracing it on the counter while grinding. Skip it if you want heirloom construction, comfortable pot-side use, or coverage beyond its 2-year warranty. For serious grind control, it's the Männkitchen Original Pepper Cannon. Buy it if you change textures often and want a broad adjustment range, wide refill opening, and smooth crank. Its all-metal build feels purpose-driven, but it weighs more than a pound and occupies real counter space. Closely spaced settings make large texture jumps slower. The bottom control and tight cap can also resist greasy hands. Skip it if you want lightweight table service or more generous coverage than its 5-year warranty. Quick map. Paris is the everyday pick. Border grill suits American-made style. Boreal stays minimalist. Billund saves space. Hammer fits tables. Trulli refills easily. Kuhn Rikon needs less effort. Pepper Cannon offers maximum adjustment. Before buying, check your preferred texture, refill opening, grip width, storage height, ingredient compatibility, and whether the adjustment can be repeated easily. Start with the Peugeot Paris you select for dependable daily seasoning. Switch for easier refills, lower turning effort, smaller storage, or wider grind control. Choose the job that actually matches your kitchen. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.